clear the table.
Now, who can relationship? Between both of us, who finished eating first?
So? Must I be the one to always clear the table?
Listen, if you don't have anything else to say, just go find somewhere else to sit. Please, don't bother me. I'm watching television.
Hey.
I'm sorry. Okay, I don't know what came over me. I'm really very sorry.
Don't. You're not sorry. You should let me cry all this.
See, I'm on my knees. I'm sorry. I don't know what came over me. You know me. I'm usually not violent. These things just. I got you something. Just see, I know you'll like it.
Beautiful. My size.
I know you're in and out, baby. You know me. Very expensive as well.
Thank you.
No, I swear on my life, I will never, ever, ever hit you again. Okay?
That's what you always say.
I swear, never. I'm sorry.
I love you very much.
I love you too. I love you so much. Have you had something to eat?
No.
Okay, and don't worry about it. Let's go upstairs and freshen up, okay? Then I can take you out. Come.
Edochie, what is it now?
Please, let's do this thing now.
Do what exactly?
Let's make love.
No, please, I'm not in that mood right now.
Why are you doing this? It's my feelings we're talking about here.
Excuse me? Are you saying I don't have feelings as well? Feelings enough to know when I want to have sex or not?
No,
Huh?
Sorry, I haven't said so. I'm sorry for interfering with your feelings.
Fine.
Each time I touch you, you give me one excuse. You're either in pain or you don't have strength and sex will increase the pain. Please, sex relaxes the body. Let's just do this now.
You know what? Just leave. Leave this bed. Get out! Leave this bed. Leave this bed. What is it? What is it? Why would you just leave me alone? Why are you disturbing me? I said I don't want to have sex!
Tochi, I'm your husband, though. What you're doing is not fair. How can we be married and ever since we got married we've not slept together? Yet we live in the same house.
You know what? Just leave this place right now.
Eh?
Leave now. You're not sleeping on this bed tonight. You're not sleeping on this bed ever again. Just get out! Get out! Why are you touching the pillow? Leave the pillow alone! Get out! You married to go, man. What nature is said.
Honey? Honey? Please, I'll be coming home late from work today because I've got a lot to do at the office. Please just help me go to the supermarket and get those things we talked about.
I already told you I can't do that. I have to do my manicure today. And I have friends to visit. I haven't seen them since we got married.
Tochi, these are things you could do over the weekend. I'm talking about things we need in the house.
I can do those things over the weekend, yes. But I already scheduled today for those things. Excuse me.
Please, honey, listen. This shouldn't be an issue. It won't take you anything to just pop into the supermarket, pick a few things and get back home.
You're making dinner tonight, okay? Yes. And please fix the bathroom, wash the pots you used yesterday, and please, by all means, do all that before you go to work today. I don't know why you're all dressed up, because you still have an hour before work starts. I'm damn serious about it. Trust me.
Tochi.
Sorry for the lateness, I'm so sorry. You can go now. Mr. Chairman, are you the only married person in this firm? Chinaza will brief you about it. Other corporations are waiting for your report. I'm sorry. I promise it won't happen again.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. What did you say?
I'll have to come to your front. You are fired.
What's it mean?
The news of the hour. The federal government has responded to the public in a statement from Abuja regarding the recent bombing in the federal capital territory and has promised to put a maximum security for the safety of lives. In showbiz, Miss Efe Tobechukwu Williams has been chosen to represent Nigeria in the All-African Modeling Exhibition coming up this year. She has been embraced as the most outstanding female model of the year. This is the first time such events will be represented by an African, and it will take place in USA. This news is coming to you from AJA Television Authority. Stay tuned.
I didn't know it's like a surprise.
Go back to the gym. I have to listen.
Let's go back to the gym. Thank you.
I should be the one to come over to your office for those files.
No, it doesn't mean anything if I bring it to you first. You're my boss.
Yeah, still, I should have been the one to come over, considering the fact that I came late to the meeting.
Yeah.
But all the same, thanks. So, the associates, what are their plans?
Well, that's part of the reason I came to see you, to report, brief you on the report on ground.
Oh, that's very good. Okay.
Yeah. This one.
Okay, this part.
Yeah.
Okay.
You're not listening. Alright, stop it. Wait. Oh my god. Get out.
See una. See fine house. See where una for don't do am. Wetin man no go see for this world, by the way. Baba God, now my work I dey do o. Na you sabi everything o.
Baby, my love, please still follow me to the interview. Please.
A million tears, a million pains, a million cries comes out from my eyes. A guinea can get me. I never pray for thee. I need a mentor who can advise. I need a lover, someone to cherish.
Baby, I haven't heard from you for a week now. I mean, you're never around. If someone asks me about you, I don't even know what to say.
That's because you don't come looking for me. Maybe I'm not important to you as you are to me.
You don't even go there, see me talking about importance. Do you know I've checked on you twice? I tried calling you and your number wasn't going through. Now let me ask you, why is it that I am the only one requesting for a visit? Why?
Yeah, I know. So, okay. I'll be the one requesting for it today.
So, is that a yes for me?
Say yes for us.
Let's get it.
Sweetheart. Sweetie, I'm home. Sugar, where are you? I'm home. Sweetheart.
Go and wash those dishes you left in the kitchen. Bring out the chicken from the refrigerator and cook the meal. I am finished.
Uju, but I washed those dishes and I made food before I left for work.
You mean those unclean dishes you left in the kitchen? The food you cooked with those? You're not serious. You expect me to eat those bacteria-infected food?
Uju, please, I'm pressed. I need to use it.
Excuse me! Excuse me! Where are you going? You're pressed? To use which toilet? The one you refuse to wash? Or the one in the gateman's quarters? You're not using that. You better go to the gateman's quarters.
Uju, I didn't wash it because I was running late for work and I got to the office late. Let me use the toilet.
Excuse me! Don't try me. Don't.
Pleasure meeting you. Sorry for disturbing. Please, what is the secret that has made you to hit the spotlight in this short period of your modeling career so far?
God. God has been so good to me. His support and guidance to me has taken me so far. And to my fiancé, his undying love has been more than a helping hand in all ramifications.
Wow. Now that you've become the first Nigerian to participate in the All-African Modeling Exhibition, what do you have to say to all Nigerians and your targets so far?
I'm really flattered with the songs of praise this morning. I want to say thank you to all Nigerians in my country. They've been so supportive to me. In fact, their support led me to win the All African Modeling Exhibitions. I want to say thank you so much to my country. It's to them, my sponsors, fan, and my country again that I do what I know how to do best, growing stronger in my career. And now that my fiancé is my personal manager, my optimism is sure getting me prepared.
Hey, Miss F, sorry for interruption. Please, who is this young guy? Is he your fiancé or really wants to know?
I think he can speak for himself.
Wow.
Oh well, my name is Mr. Sam. I am a promoter and a friend to our fiancé.
Really? Wow. Please, who is this young girl over there? She that all your friend. You look alike.
My sister. Thank you.
Alright. Hey, thank you very much. Thank you very much. Wow. This is Etobechu Williams, the first Nigerian to participate in the All African Modeling Exhibition. I am Joy Istubu, reporting from AGN Television Authority. Thanks.
Are you not the lady I saw on TV today?
I could be anyone.
I know what I saw, lady. It's you, the winner of All African Modeling Contest. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Very soon you'll be going international.
Thank you.
It must be a very huge task for you getting to that heights.
Well, in this life, if you must achieve anything at all, you must love what you do first, then commitment before you strive.
I love that quote. I'm Helen.
Efe, nice to meet you.
Pleasure is all mine.
Nice dress.
Thank you. I missed you.
Yes, too. Nice dress.
Thank you.
Why didn't you tell me you wanted a personal manager?
Oh, that baby. I wanted to surprise you with it.
You should have called to know my decision before making it public.
Honey, come on. What is wrong with that? Come on.
You want to know what is wrong with it? What is wrong with it, huh? Tell me, is anything wrong with what I just did?
Why?
You want to know why?
Why?
You want to know why?
Why?
I'll tell you why. Bravo! What an excellent interview.
What? I'm sorry.
Shut up! be the one deciding my future? Huh? Are you my father? Are you God? Huh? God.
Sorry, I didn't know that would upset you.
You didn't know this?
I'm sorry.
Show me how upset I can be. You have... How upset I can be? Go. Just go away. Go away. Please go. Leave me alone. Go. 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 Go away. Go away. Go. Go. Anytime you cry, it makes me cry inside. Believe me, when you're hurt, I'm deeply right inside. I'm sorry. Believe me, if I had my way, I'll get you a cane so you can spank me like a child.
I'll never spank you in my hands. I will never do it.
I'm sorry.
see. You left this house without telling me. You will clean the entire house when you come back. I will be waiting for you. I will be waiting.
Oh, baby, good morning. Did you sleep well?
Get those things out of there. I want to take a shower.
Baby, come on, we can shake the battery now. You can always draw the curtain and make sure the water doesn't touch you. If suddenly something, we can shit together. I think you used to.
Did you smoke? Huh? Are you
No,
high?
I want him to
Shut up! Did I ask for any suggestion? Did I ask for any suggestion?
Hurry!
Huh?
Hurry! I'm sorry.
Go ahead.
I'm sorry.
Did I ask for a suggestion?
I'm sorry.
Huh? Did I ask for any suggestion from you?
I'm sorry, baby.
Yes, Mr. Dikeh. You know, as we discussed last night, the captain.
Good morning, sir.
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Did you sleep at home last night?
Yes, I did. Why?
It doesn't look like you did. You look different.
Okay, I was trying to meet up. I promised to come early.
Okay. It's 7:45. You kept to your promise.
Thank you, sir.
You will be going for 2 days trip for the board meeting with our associates.
Okay. Even if it's for a month, I'll be glad to go.
Why a month?
Sorry, I was just telling you how willing I would be to go represent the company.
You may go home and get yourself ready. Your flight leaves by 10:45 a.m. All your reservations has been taken care of.
Thank you, sir, but I don't want to go home.
What is wrong with you?
No, I will pick everything I need from the boutique.
Is that so? Okay, suit yourself.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Jesus. Jesus.
Are you alright?
I had a bad night.
Don't worry, you'll be fine. Just get some medication so you can relax before we leave.
Yeah, I will.
Or better still, I'll get them for you myself.
No, don't worry, I'll get them.
Uche, if you are down in any way, I will just go straight to the chairman and tell him you're not feeling well. So should I get the drugs for you, or do I go to the chairman?
Don't go thinking you're my doctor now.
Yes, I am, for now.
Get the drugs. Go fast.
Hello, Sam. What's up?
Yeah, what's up, Harry?
Yeah, I sent you a mail. You didn't reply.
Oh, yes, I got it. That's why I'm looking for you. Yes, I am at that fast food, very close to my house.
Alright. I'll be there shortly.
Alright.
Sis, what is wrong with you? Are you alright?
Yes, I fell from the bathtub.
Look at your face. So where is Harry? Is he aware of this?
Yes, no, I don't want to disturb him. He's going to do something very urgent with Sam.
So where are you going now?
I just want to go and buy drugs from the pharmacy. Okay?
Are you sure you'll be okay?
Yes. Just go. I'm coming down. Bye.
I know it was the best thing to do.
Well, Harry, I am happy for you. You hit the spot when everybody is suspecting.
You know, there's a saying that goes this way. Conceal your thoughts before those thoughts materialize, so you don't end up getting diverse opinions before it unfolds.
Yeah.
Ife is my life. And I feel that's the best way I can make her understand that I love her so, so much.
But you overspread your weakness before her to the world.
Nah, I don't think so. Actually, I proved to her admirers what real men like me can do.
That's a nice one. Ife will be very lucky to have you. I mean, she should be happy to have you as a love and manager.
Of course. Especially that whole manager thing. She really shocked me with it.
Why?
Because I didn't expect her to make me a manager.
Oh, that. You see, she discussed it with me back then in the States, and you know, she was just trying to look for a way to surprise you, just do anything to make you happy. And she thought about making you a manager. But don't you like it? I mean, are you not happy about it?
Oh, I'm okay. It's just that I was surprised to hear it on air.
Oh, okay. It's all right. So, do you care for anything? Fine.
Your face. Sorry, I didn't mean to scare you. Remember me?
No, I don't know again.
Helly, you met at the manicure brother.
Oh, yeah, sorry. I don't recall your face. Sorry.
It's okay. You don't seem well. Is everything okay?
Yeah, I was on my way to the hospital, so I decided to rest a bit.
I'm just coming from there. Let me help you.
Alright, so we have an hour to rest.
Yeah, I'll see you in an hour's time.
Alright, take it.
I don't believe what you just said. Look at you. You feel pains all over your body. If these bruises are not just mere accidents, you were beaten up.
By my man.
He could beat you up like this after the way you praised him.
I've been going through hell for 4 years. And I've been looking for who to share my burden with.
It's okay. It's not your fault. He's a beast. He does not deserve your love.
I love him.
I'll find a way and get you out of this domestic violence. I promise you.
I love him so much. I don't know why he hates everything about me. Everything I do. I love him. He's my word.
Listen. If you will listen to me, he will never lay his hands on you again.
How?
Like you said, love what you do first, then commitment.
Long day.
One of the most hectic meetings I ever had.
But it was nice.
Yeah, worth it.
I really loved teamwork.
Yeah.
And how you secured the company's interest.
I didn't know this.
So, good night.
Good night.
Do you... sorry.
Are you sure you're going to sleep early?
I'll try. I'll just lay in my bed with some music.
Okay, I'll try to. But in case you need some help,
I'll be fine.
let me know.
Alright, thank you.
Okay, then.
You have my file.
Sorry, I forgot.
Yeah.
There we go.
Thank you. So, good night.
Good night. When with her, I feel a strong chemistry with love and peace. I love my wife, but she's too self-centered. This would be cheating. Chinaza is beautiful and helpful too, What is wrong with me? I can't control myself anymore. Oh, Sochi, leave me alone, Tochi. You're so in my head. There's something I really must tell you. There's something I'd like us to discuss.
Please forgive me.
I love you.
He's still not picking my calls. Where are you? 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 God is still not speaking. He's not speaking. Speaking. He has never slept outside before. He's not going to sleep outside today. Not tonight. He has to come home. He has to come home soon. He has to come
Do you know what attracted me to you?
No.
You was such a softie, and I really like that.
How?
So, what are you thinking about?
My wife. I swore to always be with her.
You know, I made myself that promise to never to get involved in marriage. But you can't describe it.
I promised to love Tochi. I gave her my word. But her attitude is hell. She's making life complicated for me. Do you know that? Since I got married, we have never made love.
What? Wait, you mean since you married your wife, you've not done it?
Not once.
Wow. Well, I really do not intend to take her place in your heart. I've been there, trust me, I don't...
You are not taking her place. I know you. I too, I feel guilty with this, but then it's just a natural human reaction to a biological urge. look at it. When I first got her pregnant, her father insisted I got married to her. I didn't want to because of her attitude. After much pressure I gave him on the condition that I be made a director in the company. That was it.
So what happened?
She had a miscarriage a week to our wedding.
So she's angry at you now because of her father's riches or a miscarriage?
I honestly do not know. Tochi snaps at everything. Sometimes I wonder if she's the same person I got married to. It's become so much now. I can't bear it. Let's not discuss Tochi. You. You are everything my wife is not.
Oh, stop.
So let's just savor this moment.
Woman has the power to subdue a man in every possible way.
Oh, God. Honestly,
you have to put an end to your emotional maltreating.
Honestly, I mean, how do I look into his eyes? Seeing the honesty in him, seeing the honesty he has for me, the sincerity. How do I see all these things? Seeing the undying love he has for me, dying right inside of him. How can I stand that? I can't do it. I am not that kind of person. I don't have that kind of heart. It's difficult because I love him.
When your head is on the brakes of falling off because of a man that does not appreciate nor cherish your undying love.
Oh God, it's difficult. Yeah.
I know, but you have to.
Okay. I'll try. It's so funny how men make you just come into your life, make you love them, make you fall in love with them, and then they treat you like this. It's hard.
Yeah, we take what we can get. It's okay. Everything will be fine.
Amen. I pray so. Because then I'll be. Alright then. So, what do you want to eat?
I don't know. I feel like.
What then?
I want something light, very light.
Okay, I think there's somewhere we can get some seafood on the road. I'll take you there. Okay, let's go then. Alright then.
That girl can go to my place.
Okay.
Yeah, my dash money, yeah, my dash money, yeah, my dash money, yeah, my dash money. Every man in the guy where who go man in the guy who every man in the guy where who go man in the.
Where did you go to? Where are you going?
Baby, I want to buy medications for myself.
Okay. Medications for... And what did you tell the person who sold the medications to you?
Nothing, I didn't tell anybody anything.
You told him I beat you up, right?
No, why would I tell someone to do? Come on, baby, I'm not for you. I can't be telling people things happening in this house.
Alright, let me have the medications.
I left it in the car, my bag.
Lied to me.
I'm not waking up.
Jesus! Now lie to me. You have to lie to me.
Hurry, please.
Hurry,
I'm sorry.
What did you say? Huh? You said you won't cry. Now you cry. How are you?
Where have you been?
I believe you read my messages. You saw the note I dropped for you.
The text that said you would be working in your office till 5:30 the following evening?
You have the answer to that.
Uche?
I just got back. I need to go in and change. Oh, sorry. My bag. Let me get it from the back.
Hello. Hello.
Oh, sir, where are we in the national?
I have submitted Ife's portfolios to the international modeling body, so I am just waiting to get a confirmation from them as to another performance.
Okay. Collins, update.
We're yet to have meetings with promoters. That is if Sam is going to give us his go ahead.
Efe. Efe.
Efe.
Sorry. I didn't get you, sorry.
We'll be having a meeting with some government officials, so get ready.
What am I gonna do? What am I gonna say? What a kind of life was this? Could this be my destiny? You don't wish to know it's you. You don't wish to know it's you. No matter what you do, no matter what you say, she believes in me. No matter what you do, no matter what you say.
Not really. I just came to see somebody. We're probably going to see later. Hello, Efe.
Oh, Collins.
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
You're not looking bad.
Thank you.
You're just looking to take away. So rubbish, so sweet.
Oh my God. Thank
so
you.
take away.
Oh my God. Coming from my promoter.
So.
Meet my friend Helen.
Helen, how are you?
I'm alright.
You look so sweet.
Thank you.
So where are you people going to?
Okay, we're here for manicure. I need to change my cutters and my toes.
Women with manicure every time.
That's why we're women.
It's alright. I came to see a friend down there. Let me just see what is happening.
Alright then.
I'll see you later. Alright. Yeah, like I was saying before.
Babe, you need to pinch yourself.
But I'm always looking good.
Yeah, but I want it more flashy and intimidating.
Okay, ma'am.
Please, for me.
Okay.
coming from? Where have you been? You don't eat in your house anymore and you don't even come back early. What's going on with you?
You want to know what's wrong with me?
I want to know what's going on. Tell me.
Okay, this is it. I'm now with someone. Someone who feeds me even when I'm not hungry. On whose shoulder I lean my head when I'm not crying. Someone in whom I find solace. Are you satisfied?
Uche, what are you saying? What are you saying? Uche! What are you saying? What are you saying? Jesus Christ. What is this? You're not gonna shake her. Hey! Uche! Uche!
Are you satisfied now? Let me help you. I need to get happiness. I need to seek happiness anywhere.
You will kill me to death! You will kill me! You must kill me today! You must kill me! You must kill me! You must kill me today! You must...
Where are you going to now? I need toilets. Toiletry is my cream. Yes. Is this a work bed? Do you want?
No, this one please.
This one?
Yeah.
That's what I'm telling you.
Yes.
I really like this.
Just make it take. I'll take one.
Alright, can you see how we go?
Let me get
right.
Where is that thing, right?
Whoa, this too!
Alright, yeah.
We don't
have plenty of this. Seriously.
We just have jam.
Small.
Okay. Sammy! Hey, what's up?
How are you doing?
Good.
Wow.
Hey. Hi. What are you doing here? You two?
What?
To do some shopping.
Both of you know each other?
Oh, yes.
Yes, we met at the restaurant.
Oh, really? Oh, that's good. So, yeah, she's my runaway girlfriend. So what's up? You come up to what's that? Let me see you very well. Yeah, you're looking bad.
Oh, thank you. You look good too.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Come here, get through.
Yes, yes.
Cool.
Hi, Sam.
How are you?
Hello.
Hi.
Yeah, so how is my friend?
Who's your friend?
What's the meaning of that? My friend, Harry.
Sweetie, Harry is fine wherever he is.
I don't understand you, but whatever. I mean, you're looking very good. Very different.
Just a difference. I mean, Sammy baby, but remember, I am a model. You know what? I am figuring out a twist to help my career. So I am taking up that twist to beautify myself in preparation for the exhibition coming up. I am going for. Honey, you're my promoter. You should know that better. excuse me.
Wow.
Let's go.
Well, Efe.
Okay.
Efe. Let not be all glass.
Nice, yeah. We should go.
Let me just do something. Come.
Sam. So, do you want to talk about my boyfriend of yours? Because my son is a good boy.
Okay, fine. I don't want him to know about my Harry's problem, please. I don't want him to know about it.
No, unless if you can't tell him.
Alright, yeah, please. I don't want him to know. Okay, I want to pay my bills. Who is here?
Alright, sweetie, I'll go for these two.
Okay.
Then I'll go with my...
How much? Alright.
Yeah, you know, it's interesting to know that the both of you actually know each other. I was surprised.
It's a lady stuff. You don't have to know everything.
Yeah, I agree with you.
Whatever, now you know, so...
Well, it's all good. I was asking about Harry. I didn't like the response you gave to me.
Sorry. Hi, Jack. What's up? Oh, no, please. I'm not going to be available. Can you please reschedule? Oh, thank you. Sorry, guys.
Yeah.
So, what's up? I'm sorry.
No, it's nothing. You know, I was saying, I was talking about Harry, but at the same time, I am still happy we are all sitting here.
Harry is fine. Call him if you want to find it out.
But it's okay. It's okay.
Sorry, please. Hello, Collins. Oh, no, I forgot. I'm sorry I couldn't meet up as promised. You know what, baby? Just... Okay, I'm going to make it up, please. I'm so sorry. Please forgive me. Oh, thank you. So, Kion Shula now.
Yeah, I was saying I'm very, very happy that we are...
Kenneth.
Efe.
Kenneth, I'm going to call you later, please. Oh, thank you. I'm sorry, guys. I'm really sorry. Sam, you know, I'm trying to say is that Harry is fucked up. He's just in nuisance.
It's okay. I really forgot what to say, but it's okay. Let's just drink.
Tell me, Kinaza, when was your last date?
It's been a long time.
Long time, like 2 months, 4 months, 2 years. Precisely when?
2 years.
2 years.
Yeah.
Wow. And you've not been in a relationship since then?
I just didn't want to throw myself at anyone, just anyone.
Yeah. So, how about now?
Well, I'm scared. You're a married man.
Answer your call.
What? Leave me alone.
Sorry?
You didn't ask me who that was.
That's private. Except you want to tell me.
It's David.
Your ex?
Yeah. He called me some time ago, asking me to come back to him after eloping with my best friend. I don't even know how he got my number.
Is that why your eyes are wet?
My eyes?
Let me cry with you. David.
Stop it! You're just crazy.
Well, it's true. I mean, this happened way back in the past, and here you are telling me.
Whatever.
Okay.
Sam.
Hey.
Sam, you've been sitting down here for quite a while now, a couple of minutes. You've not said anything. What's wrong?
Harry, are you still
still handling Ife as a personal manager?
Sure. Why do you ask?
You know, being her manager simply means she's not supposed to hold any private meeting anywhere.
Can you go straight to the point, Sam?
Maria, I'll ask you another question. Do you love her so much as not to see her with any other man?
I will kill any man who comes close to Ife.
You love her so much.
Jesus. Sam, your silence is killing me. Can you just go straight to the point? It's pissing me off.
Well, I saw someone like Ife with a man in a hotel.
Get out of my house, Sam.
What?
You heard me. Get out of my house.
She get out. Sorry.
If you know you're a man, talk to me. You must talk to me, okay? I don't even know why I married you, a lazy man. Yes, take your home as your responsibility. Stop running out from my responsibility. Talk to me! I said talk to me! Talk to me, I'm talking to you. You're a very lazy man. I am saying it, I'm saying it again. You must talk to me today. Are you hearing me? Make love to me is a problem. You will not say anything. You will not say anything. You are salty. You are such a salty. None of us will sleep in this house. None of us will sleep in this house if you don't talk to me. I am telling you now. None of us. In fact, why not listen? Talk to me. Where are you going to? You think you're going to sleep tonight? Stone. Power water. You must talk to me. Come on, Papa, go like this. Talk to me. Talk to me, oh, talk to me. Talk to me. Ha! I don't want now. Talk to me. Okay. Ishageri. What can Ishageri? Oh, yeah, no.
Sweetie, let's go. We're running late. Let's go.
Yeah, I'm ready.
Can we just... Excuse me. What are you putting on?
You can see for yourself, can't you?
You drunk.
Excuse
Will
me.
you get back inside and put on some clothes? You look like a whore.
Excuse me. Sweetie, listen, I don't have time for talks right now. I have a meeting to attend, so do you.
Excuse you. You now talk back at me.
So what you gonna do about it? You wanna hit me, right? You wanna hit me as usual, Harry? Fine, go on and hit me. Harry, go on and hit me. Let's see whose meeting is important. And let's see who's gonna get tired of hitting each other here. Fine, Harry. Excuse me, I don't know what to do. Did you just push me, Harry? Did you just hit me, Harry? Listen, I'm ready for you today. Harry, you must hit me. Harry, come and hit me, Harry. Hit me today, Harry. You must hit me today, Harry.
Hurry, where you need to? You will give me today. You want to give me, eh? You want to give me? Hurry, your father. I say your father. He will not do nothing. He will give me today. Hurry, hurry, come on, give me today. Nonsense. Where are you going to? Oh, man, you want to give me? You want to give me, eh? You want to give me? Hurry, you want to give me? You want to give me, eh? You will see. You will give me today. Nonsense. Nonsense. You said no. I say your father. You said man. You have a nonsense. You will come out to this house. I say you will come out to this house. You will not. But I swear, next time you try you will do nothing. Nonsense, just walk her. Hurry, walk her. Nonsense, you can have my own car. Idiot. Don't tell me to pack my every time. I say your father. Nonsense, go fuck yourself. Hello. Welcome, ma. I'm here to say Helen. Helen. She's waiting for you. She's in room 203. Thank you. Hi.
Good afternoon. Sorry, how much is your standard room?
7,000.
What kind of room is it? Is it a big room or?
Oh, hi. Yo, good. What's so urgent? Why were you sounding that way over the phone?
Is it happening a meeting with
Yeah, sure. You meant to have a meeting with colleagues and some of his associates. Is that why you interrupted my meeting? Wait a minute. This is not a hotel about a meeting. Meant to home. Excuse me. Yes. Thank you very much. I went to have a meeting there with my fiance and some of our associates, but I'm not so sure where it's taking place.
Oh, your fiancé?
Yeah.
What's her name?
Efe Tobechukwu. She's a model, quite tall.
I think his face looks familiar. You're her fiancé?
Yeah.
Okay, you just go up, check room 203.
203.
Yeah. Upstairs, that way. Hello? Okay, I'm sending it now. Yeah, thank you. What is it? Oh my God.
What are you doing? Huh? What are you doing with the woman on the bed? What are you doing? Leave me! What are they doing? What are they doing on the bed? Oh, don't tell me to calm down! What? Are you please? What? Sam! Sam, don't tell me to calm down! Leave me! Oh!
What am I gonna say? What a kind of life was this? Could this be my destiny? Don't wish to know it's you. Don't wish to know it's you. No matter what you do, no matter what you say, she lives in me.
Stop me, don't stop me.